Hey guys, in this quick Unity 6 tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to make a very basic first-person camera controller. So the first thing you're going to want to do is make sure that your camera is on whatever you're moving, your player or whatever object it is. Make sure you make a script. I called mine player camera and open it on up. The first thing we're going to need are two serialized fields, and they're going to be private float sense X, and I'm going to control D at the end of the line here and change this to sense Y. Then we're going to have a private float rotation X. I'm going to control D again, rotation Y. And now, private void awake, we are going to make sure our cursor, its lock state is equal to locked, so it won't move around, and we also don't want to see it, so cursor visible is equal to false. Now we're going to go to private void update, and we are going to get a new float, mouse x, and it's going to be equal to input.getAccessRaw, or axis, whatever you want to call it, mouse space x, and we're going to make sure it's multiplied by sense x. Going to control D at the end of the line, change this to y, change this to y, and change this to y. Now, rotation y plus equals mouse x. And the reason this is because the y-axis is up and down, which means you're really rotating this way. You're looking straight ahead, and if you were to turn 90 degrees in your chair, you are rotating on the y-axis. So that's why we're using mouse x for it. Then we go to rotation x, and it's minus equal mouse y. And again, this axis is kind of across your chest, and if you were to rotate your arms as such, I'm sure you can get how that works too. And we're going to go rotation x is equal to, we're going to clamp it with math f dot clamp rotation x, and we're going to say whatever you want. It can be negative 90 90, negative 75 75. I like to go in the middle and 67.5 f and 67.5 f. But that's the clamp to make sure you're not going and doing some kind of neck snapping movement. And then we're going to transform dot rotation, and it's going to be equal to quaternion dot Euler rotation x, rotation y, and 0. Now we should be able to attach it onto our player camera. I'll put it at 500, 500, save it and play. Whoa, okay, too much, too much, too much. I think in my testing one, 5 is good. In my testing one, I had times 100 on it, but I forgot here. And now you can see you have some good movement where even when you're moving, you're not getting any camera jitter or stutter. And just in case you are having an issue about your input manager and the player settings, you might have to go to Edit, Project Settings, Player, scroll down until you find the active input handling. It's probably set to input system package, which is the new one. We are using the old one with input.getAccessRaw, but I like both because it gives us flexibility for different ways to make inputs.